Welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare a healthy recipe by using ragi flour and moringa leaves. Ragi is one of the richest sources of vegan protein, high fiber, calcium, and it contains very good amount of iron. Take a bowl and add 2 cups of ragi flour. Add salt according to your taste. Now add roasted peanuts. Add finely chopped onions, curry leaves, chopped ginger, green chilies. Add washed moringa leaves. Mix all the ingredients properly. Moringa leaves boosts immunity. They support the bone health. They contain vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium and iron. These leaves are considered as superfood and they are highly nutritious. Now add water and make it a dough. Knead the dough properly by adding a little bit of water to it. This nutritious food is recommended for all age groups and especially for lactating women, pregnant women and adolescent girls. Let the dough rest for 10 to 20 minutes. Take a pan and make sure that it's not too hot and take small portion of dough and spread it as shown in the video and make small holes in between. Oil. Let it cook on low flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn it. You can consume this healthy food in the form of breakfast or you can take it as a snack. Transfer it into a plate. Serve it with peanut chips.